Hi there, it's Mike Diesel with a Kipp GMC Cadillac Buick Tech Tip. With over 15 camera views on some modern vehicles, it is easier than ever to drive your vehicle safely. One of our favorites has to be the Hitch View. There is nothing more frustrating than trying to reverse a truck to a trailer and get it dead on, get her hooked up. But the Hitch View is revolutionary and it will help you. All you have to do is go to the infotainment center, you hit this button right here, that's the Hitch View button. It'll show you this screen. It'll allow you to do your job. You can even zoom in by hitting this button and get a little bit of a closer look. Now, while you're driving, if you're over 12 kilometers an hour, you can hit the Hitch View button and this screen will pop up. It gives you 8 seconds to make sure that everything is safe and still hooked up in the way it should be. The Hitch View is available on certain Sierra HD, GMC Acadias, Buick Enclaves, and Cadillac XT5s and 6s. If you want to check it out for yourself, please come in and join us. We're on Red Deer's North Hill. You can give us a call anytime, 403-343-6633, or at kippscott.ca. And that's another Kipp GMC Cadillac Buick Tech Tip.